Bruce Cadle, the Date Night Chef. Today I want to show you how to make cut fruit for sangria. Sangria is a great drink, and the more fruit you use in it, especially fresh fruits that are in season, the more delicious it tastes. Let's start by just cutting some green apple. We're going to reserve one slice for each glass and put the rest of the apple in our pitcher. Next, we'll cut a lime into cross-cut sections. And I really like to mix up the different cuts. I love to use some slices, some wedges, and really just adds more variety to the sangria. Same thing with orange. I love just some cross-cut slices of orange is just beautiful, especially when you serve this to your guest in a clear glass pitcher. It's just going to look gorgeous. Now grapes, I like to just slice in half. And as you cut all the fruit, what's going to happen is once you add the wine, all those fruit juices and flavors are just going to blend together along with the wine for a really, really delicious drink. Now strawberries, this is a huge strawberry, but you can usually just cut them in half or quarters. I'm going to go ahead and slice this. Now we'll add some white wine. You can use any white wine that you like. I like a Pinot Grigio for this. Now we're going to just place a piece of each fruit on top of the ice in our glass. Let's taste it and see how nice it is. See how beautiful that cut fruit is, that fresh fruit, and the flavors are already coming together into the white wine. Oh, that's really good. It's really light and really refreshing. I'm Bruce Cadle, the Date Night Chef. I hope you've enjoyed this video of how to make cut fruit for sangria.